Hi, so we are at 48 hours from this very young patient's Arthur's Robotic Hair Restoration out here at Musk. He's Mr. Kaushik, he's 64 years young and he's all the way from New Jersey, am I right?
Yeah.
And how's it been? How's been the entire 48-hour journey and the procedure itself?
Oh, it's absolutely fine. Actually, initially, my impression was different, but now after 48 hours, I can say it's completely changed.
Yeah, how's the pain? Because I remember Mr. Kaushik has a nephew who's undergone a hair restoration, and I think he complained of a lot of pain after the procedure and for a long time. Yes,
Right.
And I think you were really worried about that.
Yeah, I was worried for that.
Has that perception of the procedure gone away?
Yeah, it's gone away. It's completely changed. It's not a problem. In 48 hours, I can say I have not gone through this type of any hard time.
Hard time, right?
And just small pinches are there.
Pinches when we numb the
it's fine.
Correct, yes.
But it's fine. But after that, if you think about the result,
right.
was it positive things?
Right.
Absolutely.
So no pain, no gain, huh?
No.
Yes,
Yeah.
right. So yes, a little bit of numbing pain is always okay to bear.
Right.
Yes, it's nothing from the major.
Yeah.
And I think we have done a great job in his case. Yes, his donor area actually surprised us. We could manage a good 2800 grafts, 2798 to be precise. Yes, and I think with that we could give him a really good hairline. Yes, extending right to the mid scalp and almost to the vertex area in his case. So at around 10 to 12 months, his facial frame is going to improve in a fantastic way because the face is going to look more symmetrical with the hairline coming in. Yes, so you excited for that?
Yeah, I recommend to do as early as possible. Actually, I came after many years.
Right.
I should have come very early,
Right.
at early stage.
Yes,
But anyway,
it's important to do it at the right stage.
Yeah,
also,
yeah.
Yes, at a much years before, I would have done a lot.
Right.
With his, I could have covered more area with higher density. But I think it is also important to be factual regarding your treatment results. Yeah, we don't like over-promising our patients. Yes, it's something which I can take from you and something which I can give it back to you in the best possible way, without causing any damage to any other area or any other complications. So keeping that in mind, I think you've done fairly a good job, and I think I'm very happy and
Thank you.
Very positive about your results coming in.
Thank you, doctor.
So,
Important thing is sitting. I was in a impression that there will be 4, 5, 6 sitting will be there.
there are no 4,
But
5, 6.
yeah, this is just for one sitting.
One sitting, yes.
And after 48 hours, I'm here for this.
Right.
This final cut.
Yeah, thank you for this and wishing you a head full of hair very soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.